Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is the installation of my Z1 white pipe and Z1 single exit exhaust. I don't know why I'm in front of the freaking lights. Anyways, we're going to be installing it. It's very simple, straightforward. We're going to get right to it. Put up the car up in the ramps, get it all done. And I'm going to try to keep this video short so you guys enjoy it a little bit more. Today's going to be the install strictly. You guys want to look at the flybys and everything like that. That's going to be a separate video. First, I'm going to show you guys how it sounds right now with the muffler delete, res delete, and if you guys want some flybys with that setup right there, I do have another video which I will link down in the description below. Anyways, let's get on with the day. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to click that like and let's get on. Alright guys, so we're here in my room. I'm about to get ready to install this exhaust. I'm trying to do it on my own. See what's up, you know. Honestly guys, I don't know. I'm going to show you guys the sound before the exhaust, then after I install the exhaust. But I'm afraid because, you know, usually you go from stock to an exhaust. So the comparison is good, you know. You're like stock, I'm like, yeah, it sounds good, but it's low. And then you do the exhaust and you're like, wow, I need to cop this, right? You know, you guys see the comments. But I do already have a muffler and res delete, and when I rev it, I think personally it sounds good, bro. Sounds good. You guys already heard it before. It was like, yeah, bah. Sometimes it'll pop. So this sounds good, man. But I'm getting this because, you know, I really doubt that adds any performance. You know, it doesn't add, and at least this will add, you know, some horsepower to it. So that's why I got it. Hopefully it still pops. I'm praying to God. Either way, we're gonna get the car tuned and then it'll pop with that. Just a heads up, I just wanted to tell you guys, if this doesn't sound better than my muffler delete, okay, you guys already know, but if it does sound better, then good. That's great news for us. So we have everything wrapped. Let's unwrap all the piping, not the bolts. 3, 2, 1. All right, perfect. Okay, so let me lay it down for you guys. We got the left side of the white pipe, right side of the white pipe, looking at it this way. You got your connector. You got an extension because it is a G35. Then you have your long piece of metal, the mid pipe, I think. And then we got the bad boy, the big Z1 cannon. This Z1 actually does have a silencer. So with this little bolt right here, we take this off and this silencer should come off. So we're gonna give you 3 sound clips, the before, the one with the silencer, and the one without the silencer. See which one you guys enjoy. All right guys, we're gonna go to the bank real quick, put some money in, but let's listen to the muffler deletes one more time before we get rid of it. It's been a long day without you, my friend. The only thing I'm not gonna miss is low RPM rasp. The low RPM rasp is just absolutely atrocious. I feel like I'm throwing up every time. Like, I'm excited for this music exhaust. Let's see if we can get some pops here. Alright guys, we're under my car. They already removed the stock on the muffler, so that makes this a lot easier. We just gotta unhook this hanger, and this one over here, and it should come off. We're gonna bolt it from all the way down there, and at least the mid pipe and you know the outside, the tips will come off. All right guys, so we repositioned the car. Now we have the whole car lifted, which is perfect. This is what we wanted right now. And we're just gonna basically put WD-40 around the bolts just to, you know, loosen them up a bit. Oh shoot, who's that? These bolts from the white pipe that connect to the cats. Warning, these are to take off. Like, you need a breaker bar. I had to take a breaker bar. You need a breaker bar. I was gonna unbolt that, kind of take that way out that way, but the subframe here was kind of getting in my way, so I took it off. It's right over there, and the way I took it off is, you know, 3 bolts here, 10 millimeter, 1, 2, 3. It's not 10 millimeter, sorry. I think it's a 12. It's a 12 millimeter. 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side, and then 2 in the middle right here, and on the other side. And those are 14 millimeter. These are 14 millimeter. So all right guys, so update. I know you guys can see all the way on the far end, I unplugged my white pipe it's just hanging loose. Well, it's on the jacks, and I don't want to just hang loose. I don't know if it'll tension this up over here, but yeah, I just have it on over there hanging, and I'm just gonna take out this whole piece. And right now I'm just loosening up the hangers. I have one hanger there, one hanger there. It's almost out, and this hanger over here. And they gave me a special tool to take these out. So basically you just kind of go right here, and then with this other side you press on the metal. You see how it's coming out? Well, it's almost coming out. That's the point. I need both my hands, but tools. Guys, this is super hard. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna die here. No, I'm just kidding. Alright guys, we officially dropped the whole thing. Alright guys, we put it in. This is shortly after the last clip. I just had to kind of squeeze in this together, you know, with both my hands and, you know, fit in. Z1 baby, let's go. We're almost done. Halfway through, we need the rest. We do got an extension. We're gonna place the extension right here. Then we're gonna do the mid pipe, and then we'll continue on. Alright guys, just these are all bolt-ons, man. Really easy. I thought it would be more complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Just some bolts. All you need is a little bit of wevels and a little bit of strength. So alright guys, we finished installing everything. Let me take you guys under. I have to run to my soccer game, so we're gonna finish pretty much assembling everything back. The subframe we still gotta put back, and I gotta issue up in the front. But I'm gonna turn on the car just to make sure for no exhaust leaks. We're gonna check that out, but I have to run to my soccer game, so we're gonna finish pretty much assembling everything back. The subframe we still gotta put back, and I gotta issue up in the front. But I'm gonna turn on the car just to make sure for no exhaust leaks. You guys see here in the back, I know some of you guys warned me, this does hit here. So we're gonna try to cut a bigger one right here. We're gonna try to cut a bigger one, and if that doesn't really work out, we're just gonna cut out the whole black trim here. All right guys, we just got done. Basically it ranges from 10 to 14. You won't get any bigger, you won't get any smaller. 10 to 14, and I think it's 10, a 12, and a 14. But I mean, you guys should have a set with you guys, so this shouldn't be a problem. Anyways, right here we just bolted everything, and we put the hanger inside. The only problem is, so you guys said it hit right here, so I had to cut. It looks super ugly, but the cut itself is like not even close, but at least it's not hitting no more, like barely. So it clears, right? But even if you look at it from the outside, it's not as bad because you kind of get distracted with the Canon. You see, it kind of makes the Z1 shine out a little bit more. Now we just got to put the diffuser back on, but I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. All right guys, so that's it for the install. It was I'd say it's very simple, very straightforward. You know, you grab some pipes, you put the bolts in the holes, you put the gaskets in between the joints, all that stuff. Very simple, but it took absolutely forever just because the hanger part was absolutely incredibly hard to remove, and without that special tool that I told you guys, I wouldn't have been able to take it out. So that was an amazing tool to have that my neighbor lent me. My neighbor also lent me the jacks, so without them, honestly, I wouldn't have been able to do this. Now I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and go drive somewhere so that I can do the revs, because I don't want to wake up early here at my neighborhood. I don't want to wake them up. The following next clips will be these sound clips of the G35 with the muffler and res delete, with the new exhaust with silencer, and with the new exhaust without the silencer. All right guys, we woke up in the middle of 6 a.m. just so we could come here to record the sound trials, the sound of how it sounds with without further ado, thank you guys so much for enjoying the video. I'll catch you guys next video with some drive-by clips and things like that, and just overall opinions, freaking review, anything about the exhaust. I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for your patience and everything. Catch you guys next video. Peace out, guys.